Welcome to Travel with Zan. Have you ever wondered how to make the most of your Tesla Supercharging session? In today's quick video, I'll show you how to find the Central Coast Tesla Supercharger at Tuggerah and have some fun playing Beach Buggy Racing 2 while your car powers up. The Supercharger is located on the upper level of the Homeco Tuggerah Supercentre, corner of Bryant Drive and Wyong Road, Tuggerah. Trust your Tesla to guide you there, but don't forget to head to the rooftop. This location features 6 superchargers, and while it's popular, I visited several times and never experienced a wait. If you want to leave your car, the centre offers plenty to explore, including home and furniture shops, as well as cafes. You now access the Tesla arcade by tapping the arrow at the bottom of the screen. What makes Beach Buggy Racing 2 so exciting is that it uses the car's actual steering wheel and brake pedal to control the on-screen vehicle. Yes, the car wheels actually move. You can play in single player or dual player mode, which splits the screen and the passenger taps the screen to control their vehicle. And you can choose from chill, sport, or the high-octane ludicrous mode for an adrenaline-pumping gaming experience. Tesla turns waiting into winning. Check it out.